Hey, look what's back. It's the Chipko guitar. Yes, it looks great, but the neck kind of sucks. Put new tuners on it, we put it on, set it up the best we could, but there's a few, the frets are worn and they're not much to them to level, so, and it's a maple finished fingerboard, so that offers some challenges as well. But we have this gold wire. It's Jazz car doesn't make it anymore or sell it anymore. I suspect maybe StuMac may have bought them out, bought out their supply of it, perhaps. I do not know. In any case, you can get gold wire from Stuart McDonald's. So, all right, so we're going to refret that next. So I did some research and I found that EVO wire is actually an aluminum alloy of the M series type alloy of aluminum used in racing bikes and whatnot. The StuMac version is actually a copper alloy. So I'm sanding these frets because I'm going to heat them with solder, and sanding them makes the solder take to the metal much easier. Heating the fret also makes the fret a lot easier to remove as well. I'm going to score along the sides of each fret. Fender uses a heavy polyester finish. They spray right over the frets and then they level the tops and leave the buildup in each of the corners there, which makes getting a pair of fret removers underneath there very difficult. And I'm just going to run a line of solder along the length of the fret there. It helps to use a powerful soldering iron, something over 30 watts for sure. I use a cheap disposable chisel for this purpose. I don't want to wreck my nice marbles. Just enough to lift up the fret so I can get my fret remover pliers underneath that fret. And just go along the length of the fret a little bit at a time. Inevitably, there's collateral damage to the finish. It's polyester, it's like peanut brittle in it, which is why I score it, but still, you'll get a little damage there. After I get all the frets out, I will go back over it with some glue boost, fill and finish, super glue, and replace that finish that may have been chipped out and level that whole area. We'll sand the finish and buff it out. It'll look okay. Here's kind of a cool look with the old hardware.